Next, in CSS, we are going to create these drop down buttons. That in these buttons, when we hover our mouse over this button, it is going to open this drop down, and when we hover over this button, it is going to open this drop down. So for this is our basic CSS code, HTML code, sorry. And here within body section, we are given div class equals to first class we are going to make is drop down class. We'll be creating this class later, and within this div we are creating one button, and on this button we have to give online books app. So we have created this button. After this button, again we are going to create one more div, and we'll be assigning one class whose name is content to it. And within this we are going to give links. So ahref equals to first link I'm giving. So here we have created 3 links. This is our div class of content. Here we have given 3 links, hyperlinks, and here we have closed div, that is internal div, that is content one, and this is our external div. Save it and go live. So this is our button, and these are our 3 links. Now first of all we are going to do with formatting for this button. So here in head section I'm giving style tag, and within this style tag, now this button is in drop down. So how can we write this? Dot drop down, then button. Now whatever formatting we are going to give here will go for that button. So I'm giving background color of that button. I'm taking it from here. We can even select our color. Then color of the text on button, I want it to be black. Border of that button, I want it to be, there should be no border. Then padding, here we can open our browser. Here I am giving 12 pixel and 15 pixel. Save it. Then margin I want to give 15 pixel. Next thing we are going to give is font size. Here I'm taking 15 pixel. Then box shadow, we are giving is 2 pixel horizontal shadow we want, again 2 pixel vertical shadow, and 3 pixel blur effect. And then color I'm taking is black. From here as well we can change our color. So it has got the shadow. Next I want that Right now when my cursor is over this button, it is in the form of arrow. I want that it should change when we bring mouse over it. So cursor I'm taking this pointer. Save it. Now we can see that it is changing to a pointer. Now our button is done. Next thing we are going to do with this these links. So here, how can we address these links? Dot, drop down, and A. Here first of all we want to remove these underlines. So text decoration will be taking is none. Then color of text, I want it to be black. Then padding I want to give is 12 pixel and 15 pixel, and now I want to bring it in single line, single column. So for that I'm giving display to block. Next we want to give background to this list. So here, right now we were doing for links. Now we'll be doing for content. Here we have made content class. So to address that class, it will be dot drop down space dot content. And for that content, I want that background color. First of all, I'm changing background color. I'm selecting as this one. It has got a background. Its width I want is, for that we will be taking min width. Yeah, I'm taking is 100 pixel. Position we are taking is absolute. If we want to increase the size of this, so we can change it here. Instead of 100 pixel, if we take 150 pixel, it is going to change its size. Here we are taking 160 pixel. And if we want to give margin here, so we can put margin here as well according to that box. Here we have taken margin 15 pixel. So here margin left we are giving is 15 pixel. We can even give box shadow to it. Yeah, I'm taking 2 pixel horizontal shadow, 2 pixel vertical shadow, and 5 pixel that blur effect. And then color I'm taking is black. And from here also we can change our color to the desired. So it has got the shadow. Now if we don't want to see this list right now, what we were doing, we were wanting that whenever we hover our cursor over it, only then this list should be displayed, otherwise it should not display the list. So for that we are giving display to none. Save it. You can see that it has hidden, but right now it is not showing because we haven't given hovering effect yet. So for that, here we'll be making, again we want that whenever we hover over that button it should display the list. So dot drop down hover effect over button. So for that we'll be writing dot drop down hover and then button. And what we want that when we hover over that button, that time background color should be, right now we'll be taking little light color, and the color of text should be blue. Save it, and we can see that whenever we are hovering our mouse pointer over this, it is changing its color. But it is not displaying the list. For that, what we have to do, dot drop down, when we hover it should display content, and for that display block. Save it, and we can see that it is showing our list. But here we can see that when we are hovering over this button it is opening the list, and when our cursor is here, even then it is opening the list. So for that, here we have to set dot drop down, and here we have to say set this display to inline block. Save it. Now only when we are hovering our cursor over this, it will open this list. Otherwise, when we are hovering over here, it is not going to open that list. Next thing we want, whenever we hover over this list item, it should change the color. So here dot drop down A, because we will be hovering over those links. Then hover, and here we have to change background color. Right now it is giving this color, so we can select any light color. Find this color, and even we want that color of the text should change to blue. Save it, and you can see that whenever we are hovering over it, its background color is changing. So whenever we click on this link, it is going to open this site. Now we have to create one more button. So for that, what we can do, we'll just copy and paste this thing, and after the closing of second div, we'll doing this. Here we can write any text. Here right now I'm not giving any link. For that I'm leaving it blank, or we can put hash inside it. Save it, and so we have created second button as well, and this way we can create as many button as we can. So this was our drop down button.